I'll send these for review. These are macOS shortcut stickers. I got the black version or the clear version, which includes all these guides on keyboard shortcuts. So just pull out your MacBook Pro or MacBook laptop, open it up and find either the left or right side to clear open. These are removable and waterproof vinyl stickers. And the pack comes with 2 light and dark versions. You see the one on the light, it's transparent all the way through. And the dark version is more of a solid background. If you've got a clear sticker, don't use it on a dark laptop. I've got a silver laptop, so I can use it on this. Just drop it on. Easy to apply, so if it's right next to the trackpad, it makes it easier for you to reference looking, oh, what do I need to do? Oh, I want to do a copy and paste, and the C for the copy or the V for the paste. Let's see what a black one looks like placed on the side. There it is. It stands out. And the sticker should hold up for a while as you got your hand moving about. So if you started on your Mac journey, this is going to be very helpful. And see how easy it is to peel off, because this should be reusable. So if you're just picking up Mac for the first time, shortcuts are really handy to have right here on the side. Clean the surface of your laptop before you stick it on, so that it helps adhere the sticker much better and much cleaner. And here is the fit on a 13-inch MacBook Air.